This is protected by HIPAA. You can't record here, and you can't.
Information Privacy and Protection Act.
There's also a First Amendment. Have you heard of it?
Well, that doesn't supersede HIPAA.
It doesn't supersede HIPAA. There's a step away,
Hold on.
or you'll be arrested for interference. Step away, or you'll be arrested for interference.
Ow!
Stand up straight. Let's act like a lady.
Stand up and act like a lady.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Nope.
They act like a lady?
There you go. Now you can go to jail.
There we go. Perfect. We're going to go over here to this car. No, come on.
Somebody take a photo!
It's being recorded. It's being recorded.
Stop!
641 Charlie, 642 Adam.
You are hurting me!
Well, walk.
Then walk.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting. Just relax your body and walk normal.
Yeah, just walk.
That's all you gotta do. Stop trying to throw your weight. Now, you're gonna sit in the car and we're gonna put the seatbelt on, okay?
Have a seat in the car, please. Yeah, he's up there. Good luck. Can you reach that?
Huh? What car are you?
Yeah.
I got it. Yeah, put us out with multiple. You got, what's happening with?
He's just going to go to the hospital.
Oh, okay. Alright.
There's no Tokyo Joe's around
Yeah,
here. So
13th and Grant.
13th.
I was going to call for a car, but then she started interjecting herself.
What did you need?
So can we get another car to...
I'll go cruise up there and see if I can find him.
He says a blue shirt, or blue cut-off shorts, and a blue shirt. Shorts have like a green stripe, I think it was. Thanks.
You wanna call Sarge out for interference?
Yeah, we can do that. It's on the east side.